Hello traders! Now I will tell you about the Martingale Hedging Order Step. You're probably already familiar with the Martingale multiplier, and if not, there's a separate video about it. While the Martingale multiplier increases the amount in hedging orders, the Martingale Hedging Order Step increases the step itself based on the specified coefficient. The Martingale Hedging Order Step can be used separately from the multiplier or in conjunction with it. Let me demonstrate its usage with a specific example. In your bot settings, the starting order is $100, and you have 5 hedging orders with a step of 3%, while the Martingale Hedging Order Step is disabled. In this case, your first hedging order will trigger at a price deviation of 3% against your strategy, the second at 6%, the third at 9%, the fourth at 12%, and the fifth at 15%. Now, let's enable the Martingale Hedging Order Step and set the coefficient to 1.2 while keeping the other settings unchanged. As a result, the first hedging order triggers at a price deviation of 3%, the second at 3.6%, the third at 4.32%, the fourth at 5.18%, and the fifth at 6.21%. This means that in the first case, the hedging orders covered only 15% of the price deviation, while in the second case, it's already 22.3%. This function proves particularly useful during moments of sharp and significant price growth or decline. Naturally, whether to use this function or not is entirely your decision. If you encounter any difficulties while using the platform, remember that our support team will help you resolve any technical questions. Thank you for your attention. I hope this information will help you make the right decisions and achieve your financial goals in trading. I recommend watching these videos. They will help you better interact with the GTAPP platform, which in turn will lead to higher profits for you. I also kindly request you to subscribe to our channel and other social networks. You will find links to them in the description of this video.